Hey, to back up your PS5 Slim data into your USB drive, first of all, you have to plug this USB drive by using the USB-C port or simply using the USB-A. So we can decide how to do this. In my case, I'm going to use the USB-C port, so let me just plug it. Okay, I did it, and right now we have to go into the settings in the right upper corner. From here we have to go to the system. Now go into the system on the right side and go to the backup and the restore. From here select backup your PS5, and as you can see here you have the body's information, so click yes. Now on the left side we can select on unselect everything that we want to actually transfer. So I'm gonna unselect actually the games and the apps, save data, and I only want to transfer my screenshots. That's only the preview. On the right side you can also find the available size storage of your USB drive. Then click next in the right bottom corner and click OK. And that's also the name of the backup and also the description. So that's actually the name of our PS5 and the date of the backup. So click to backup. And now it is going to restart our PS5. And the backup is going to be on our USB drive. So now just don't unplug your drive or the AC cable and just simply wait. Okay, and as you can see right now, it's the backup is finished, so we can click on the PlayStation button and click OK. And now it is going to restart our PS5. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.